Most businesses add a phone number to their Google business profile and stop there. But a large number of customers today prefer to send a message rather than make a call. And if WhatsApp is not on your profile, you are missing those customers entirely. I'm Olaf from MarketlyX, and adding WhatsApp to a Google business profile is one of the quickest wins we set up for our clients, but also one of the things we see most businesses doing wrong. In this video, I will show you step by step how to add your WhatsApp number to your Google business profile so customers can directly message you from Google and Google Maps. But before we start, there is something important to understand. Over the past years, we have realized that WhatsApp is no longer just a messaging app between friends. In many countries, it's becoming one of the primary ways people communicate with businesses. And in places like Dubai, it's already the standard. Even government departments here use WhatsApp as an official communication channel. If your business isn't reachable on WhatsApp, you are missing conversations that could lead to real revenue. Let's start with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and log into the Google account connected to your Google business profile. Once logged in, go to businesses.google.com, and at this stage you will see one of two things. If you land on a page showing a Businesses tab open, select the profile you want to manage. If you are taken directly to your business profile dashboard, you can continue. Once you are inside your profile dashboard, click on the Edit Profile button and scroll down until you see the Contact Information section. Now click on the Chat section. By default, you will see text message selected as the chat type. Click on it and switch it to WhatsApp. Now in this field, you can't just add a WhatsApp number as a plain phone number. Google requires a specific link format for this to work. This is the format. So for example, if your number is your UAE number, starting with +971, it would look like this. You can also have a pre-filled message that opens automatically when someone taps the link. So for example, you could have it say, "Hi, I would like to get a quote." To do that, after the number, add this and write your message using this 4 spaces. Once you made your link, you directly have the option to add SMS alongside WhatsApp. If you want to do that, click on Add Additional Chat and enter your SMS phone number in this field. Once you have added both, you will see 3 dots on the right side of each option. Click on those to choose which one you want to set as primary, meaning the one that shows up first when a customer wants to message you. Before you hit save, just double check the link format. A single typo can mean that the WhatsApp button doesn't work, and customers will hit a dead end. When everything looks right, just click Save. And that's it. Now you will see a small notification box from Google saying that it might take a few minutes for the changes to be approved. It's very important that you let Google do its thing and avoid making additional changes until the notification box disappears. Making multiple changes while Google is processing updates is one of the most common mistakes businesses make. In some cases, it can lead to changes being rejected or even the profile becoming unverified. One last thing before you go, and this one is important. WhatsApp only works as a conversion tool if you actually respond fast. Research consistently shows that if a lead doesn't get a reply within the first few minutes, the chances of converting them drop. Customers simply move on to the next option and the next opportunity is gone. So make sure notifications are on, someone is responsible for responding, and aim to reply within 3 minutes. That's the standard that actually converts. As you can see, adding WhatsApp to your Google business profile is a simple setup, but it opens up a direct, low-friction line between your business and every customer who finds you on Google. If you would like more guidance on optimizing or managing your profile, we have included useful resources, tools, and links in the description below. And if you would like expert help, you will find details on how to work with us there as well. Otherwise, check out our Google Business Profile playlist for step-by-step tutorials that walk you through the entire process. See you soon.